with our brains, when we get asked this question, it invigorates our brains to pay attention. We know something really good's about to follow. My daughter had me at an art auction, and the salesman, he was amazing. He was doing a great job. He was bringing out all these beautiful paintings from around the world and how he collected them, and he kept adding paintings to this one collection. I really loved it, this presentation. And then he used this one magic line on it. He leaned down low, slowed his voice, and he said, "Just one more thing." My brain was alerted and my hand almost flew up because of his thing of saying, "Just one more thing." And my brain said this statement right before my hand went up. It was WWWS, which stands for "What Would the Wife Say?" Just one more thing is an elixir for the soul to lean in and pay attention for a great deal that it does not want to miss out on. So you can use this to either offer something bigger or something more scaled down. Just one more thing.